The largest platform for crowdsourcing, Gofundme, leverages a wide range of people to raise money online, particularly through social media. Whatever it is, whether it be personal, friend, group, communal, in regular or urgent circumstances, Gofundme has you covered financially through fundraising by the internet community. Whether you are dumped, a victim of injustice, accident, have to pay the costs of a legal process that is not of your doing, cannot afford the fees and bills in school and hospital, need a charity, or are starting a personal or communal project, maybe you need money for your campaign. In 2010, Brad Damphouse and Andrew Ballister launched Gofundme. Over 120 million people have donated over $9 billion to various charities using the internet platform in the last 10 years. The official George Floyd Memorial Fund, which has raised a total of $14,595,200 and is still running, is one of the significant and most recent projects that is ranked as one of the most funded campaigns on Gofundme. Gofundme is a free and for-profit tool for crowdfunding that aids individuals, families, groups, or communities in raising money for both regular expenses and unexpected expenses. For yourself, friends, and family, you can start a GoFundMe for pretty much anything. A GoFundMe account can be created to generate money for charitable causes, group initiatives, educational costs, medical expenses, burial and memorial expenses, graduation, clubs, competitions, environmental catastrophes, political campaigns, animal protection, and even frivolous expenses. You may quickly customize your GoFundMe website and app and share it with contributors from different online sources. GoFundMe is free to use, so you don't have to pay anything or provide a tip from donations unless you want to cover a tiny processing cost. They have a capable safety staff that guards against fraud. Launching a GoFundMe is cost-free. Campaign managers are not compensated in any way. However, the platform does impose a transaction fee of 30 cents for each donation and a payment processing fee of 3% for debit and credit cards. All proceeds, excluding these fees, are given to the campaign beneficiary. Go to www.gofundme.com, join up for an account, and start a GoFundMe there. Type in your complete name and the email address you want to use. You will be prompted to create a fundraiser after creating your account. Along with other fundamental details, you'll be asked about the beneficiary and the intended use of the funds. Your home country and the bank account receiving the payments must be entered. The following step is to determine your targeted or goal amount. Keep in mind that there is a transaction fee associated with each gift, so your goal number should be slightly greater to account for these fees. This is done after uploading a YouTube video or adding a cover photo. The image must be a JPEG, PNG, or BMP file. It is advised to use a high-quality 720 by 405 pixel photo. The next stage is to tell your tale, starting with a title that introduces you, explains the purpose of the fund, and details how it would be used. When finished, either click Complete Fundraising to launch your campaign or save to return and make changes later. You are now prepared for donations. Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp are just a few of the social media channels you can use to link your GoFundMe account. To send emails or spread your fundraiser over text messages and printed materials, you can import your contacts into your GoFundMe website. You can also utilize your personalized URL. To increase the possibility that you will reach your target by 3, having a team that can spread the word about your fundraiser is essential. By selecting Send Invite, you can ask potential team members to join yours. To create a GoFundMe, you must provide your full name, address, and other requested information, such as your address, home country, and bank information, in order to receive critical alerts and updates. Then, you would require a compelling narrative that demonstrates your need for money, supported by a video and/or a top-notch cover image. There is no cost associated with organizing a fundraiser, and donations are not tax-deductible. You must have a residence address in one of the U.S.'s 50 states and a U.S. phone number in order to be able to withdraw money. For U.S. citizens, you must be at least 18 years old and have a U.S. bank account in your name. On GoFundMe, there are no limits on how much you can earn. On the platform, you may earn anything from $1 to $1 billion. You must choose a fundraising target for your tale when putting up your fundraiser. You ought to give a precise figure. During the time that your fundraiser is still online and accepting donations, you are permitted to withdraw whether you have substantially surpassed your fundraising goal or not. You are guaranteed to raise a lot more money than you set out to if you have an engaging tale supported by a video and photo and extensive outreach to millions of supporters.